Hi, I am Premanand from Scholarships Abroad. Today we are going to discuss the topic how Germany is different from countries like US, Canada, Australia and UK. So good news is that the country like Germany is having the policy of free education for the international students. Now we Indians have the notion that whatever is for free is not going to be beneficial in the future, but on contrary, the fact is the Germany like country is not having the dearth of jobs. Being the strongest economy of the European Union, Germany has immense opportunities in every industry. Also, the population demography has decreased from 9% to 1%, so the federal government of Germany has allowed all the immigrants and refugees to fill the demand and supply gap with the manpower. There are many factors which motivates us to look forward to Germany for migration, whether for education or job. Majorly, we can analyze the different parameters where Germany becomes the most favorite destination for all the Indian students seeking admission in different courses. So when we talk about Germany, here the free education policy is practiced where the tuition fees is not charged or is having nominal fees only. There are 1 lakh scholarships provided yearly for all the level of courses or the short-term courses also. They allow part-time job for the living cost to bachelor course also. And stay back period is of 1.5 years. Do you know the stay back? Stay back is after completion of your course, you can search your job for 1.5 years living in Germany. Next is anyone can work after the course completion. A uniform salary package is approx 2,50,000 per month for every graduate. And the most important thing that the permanent residence or the PR European Union blue card can be gained in 21 to 24 months of doing your job. And for indefinite stay, that is the citizenship of Germany, you can get in 33 months of your job. Now I come with all the countries like US, Canada and Australia, UK, where there is no as such policy of free education. There are, instead of free education, they are taking hefty amount in the fees. Scholarships are majorly for the masters and doctorate courses also. Very few courses are there in bachelor where the scholarships can be provided in these countries. Part-time job, that is for your living cost, these countries are not providing legitimately at the bachelor course level the part-time jobs. Only the masters and PhD or the doctoral program students are allowed to do the part-time jobs. A stay back, that is after completion of your course, in Australia you can get only 1.5 years of stay. Canada, they provide 90 days. USA, they are providing 60 days and UK 16 months. Canada, Australia, if you are going to have your scholarship, then 100% scholarships is provided only to them where the terms and conditions are applied, under which after completion of your course you are not allowed to work in those countries. UK, they are providing, if employer are having the salary package of 20 lakh per annum, then only you can get the job in UK. Where the US, they are not having any job guarantee. And the salary package, it is not fixed anywhere in these countries. According to the qualifications also, you are not going to get your desired job in these countries also. Canada and US are having fierce competition in job market. UK is strictly following the salary bracket of 20 lakh per annum, then only you are employable in UK. Where Australia, they are having the PR, that is the permanent residence. they are providing PR only after 5 years of your job. And for indefinite stay, it is 10 years. And almost the same case is in all the countries. Means doing your job for 5 years, you can get the permanent residence, and for indefinite stay or for your citizenship in Canada, Australia or in UK, it is required to be there completely for 15 years at least. And that is also not guaranteed that you will be getting the citizenship of those countries doing your job for 15 years also. There are lots of terms and conditions. So make it sure that Germany is going to be your favorite destination definitely, and the free education policy is going to be most and favorite, most sought after, and the favorite destination is going to be Germany only. So thank you for watching. Next we are coming with more specific knowledge about German education and German company job criteria. Thank you. Contact us on given number 728 999 3943 for any career advice today.